Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through how to replace your old light fixture with a new modern one all by yourself. It's simpler than you might think, and I'll make sure you have all the info you need to do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first. Safety is key. Before you touch anything, head over to your circuit breaker and shut off the power to the room where you're working. This is crucial to avoid any electrical mishaps. Got that? Great. Now let's remove the old light fixture. Start by loosening the screws or nuts that hold the fixture's base to the ceiling. Once those are out, gently lower the fixture. You'll see some wires connected, a black one, a white one, and a green or bare copper one, which is your ground wire. Disconnect these by undoing the wire nuts. Now take a moment to inspect the electrical box in the ceiling. It needs to be securely fastened and capable of supporting your new light fixture. If it's loose, tighten it up or replace it with a new one if necessary. Time for the fun part, installing your new light fixture. First, connect the wires from your new fixture to the same ones you just disconnected. Typically, black goes to black, white to white, and green to green or bare copper. Make sure these connections are tight and secure them with wire nuts. Once your wires are connected, carefully tuck them into the electrical box. Now align the new fixture with the mounting holes and secure it with the provided hardware. Almost there. The final step is to install the bulbs. Screw them in gently, then turn the power back on at your circuit breaker. Flip the light switch and voila, you've got light. And there you have it, folks. You've just upgraded your home with a brand new light fixture all by yourself. Not only does it look great, but you also learned a valuable skill that can save you money and add value to your home. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy DIYing.